She is my mother.
She is my mother.
They are my parents.
They are my parents.
He is my brother.
He is my brother.
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
He is my uncle.
He is my uncle.
She is my aunt.
She is my aunt.
She is my cousin.
She is my cousin.
He is my grandfather.
He is my grandfather.
She is my grandmother.
She is my grandmother.
They are my grandparents.
They are my grandparents.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Please come in.
Please come in.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Don't pinch me.
Don't pinch me.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Please believe me.
Please believe me.
It looks nice.
It looks nice.
Please wait outside.
Please wait outside.
Let's play baseball.
Let's play baseball.
Don't go there.
Don't go there.
Let's start now.
Let's start now.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
I'm always with you.
I'm always with you.
I want that hat.
I want that hat.
Show me again.
Show me again.
I like this car.
I like this car.
Don't pull me.
Don't pull me.
I need help.
I need help.
What should I do now?
What should I do now?
I have something to say.
I have something to say.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.